Rebuttal, addressing the gap argument critique and the biochemical origin of life, intelligent design and positive evidence. Critique, you've presented zero positive case for ID. Rebuttal, intelligent design, ID, offers a positive case grounded in the empirical observation of specified complexity and irreducible complexity within biological systems. Unlike gap arguments that solely point to the absence of explanations, ID identifies and argues for patterns and features in nature that reliably indicate the action of an intelligent cause. Specified complexity. This concept, introduced by William Dembski, posits that certain biological structures exhibit both complexity and specificity that are improbable to arise by chance. For example, the digital code found in DNA is highly complex and specific, akin to a computer program, suggesting an intelligent source behind its origin. Irreducible complexity. Michael Behe's concept of irreducible complexity refers to certain biological systems, e.g., the bacterial flagellum, blood clotting cascade, that require all their parts to function. The removal of any part would result in the system's failure, implying that these systems could not have evolved through a series of gradual, functional intermediates, but rather point to design. Fine-tuning of the universe. The precise conditions necessary for life, such as the constants of physics and the initial conditions of the universe, are often cited as evidence for design. The improbability of such fine-tuning occurring by chance supports the inference of an intelligent designer. Biogenesis versus abiogenesis. Critique. As far as biogenesis versus abiogenesis, Pasteur and Reddy debunked the idea that modern life arose spontaneously. It had absolutely nothing to do with the biochemical origin of life. Rebuttal. The experiment by Pasteur and Reddy indeed debunked the notion of spontaneous generation in the context of modern complex life forms arising from non-life under present conditions. However, their findings are often misinterpreted to dismiss abiogenesis, the hypothesis that life originated from non-living chemical precursors in the early Earth. Distinct contexts. The conditions of early Earth were vastly different from today's environment. The atmospheric composition, availability of chemical precursors, and energy sources, e.g., lightning, UV radiation, geothermal activity, provided a unique context where the spontaneous formation of life's building blocks was possible. Experimental support for abiogenesis, the Miller-Urey experiment, 1953, and subsequent research have demonstrated that amino acids and other organic molecules can be synthesized from simple inorganic compounds under conditions simulating early Earth. These findings provide a foundation for the plausibility of abiogenesis. RNA world hypothesis. The RNA world hypothesis suggests that self-replicating RNA molecules were precursors to current life forms. RNA's ability to store genetic information and catalyze chemical reactions supports the idea that life could have originated from simpler molecules through natural processes. Ongoing research. Modern research in prebiotic chemistry continues to explore pathways for the synthesis of life's building blocks and the transition from simple molecules to complex, self-replicating systems. This field is vibrant and producing results that increasingly support the feasibility of abiogenesis. Conclusion. While intelligent design provides a positive case for the inference of design based on empirical evidence of complexity and specificity in nature, it does not rely solely on gaps in scientific knowledge. Moreover, the critique of biogenesis versus abiogenesis conflates different contexts and overlooks significant experimental evidence supporting the naturalistic origin of life. Therefore, ID and abiogenesis are not mutually exclusive, but rather address different aspects of life's origin and complexity.